Okay, so this is how you delete your WSL from your Windows. So just go to the settings and then punta kayo sa apps, installed apps. And then hanapin nyo dito yung WSL na in-install ninyo. So you can search na lang dito. So I have here the Ubuntu. Just click on this one, tapos uninstall nyo lang siya. Then it will remove the WSL. And then punta kayo sa PowerShell. You can also go to command prompt, same lang naman siya. And then i-list down nyo lang yung WSL-L-V. So lalabas dito lahat nung na-install na WSL. In case nandito pa siya, you just need to issue the unregister command. No? So WSL unregister, and then ito yung pangalan sa akin, nilagay nyo lang siya dyan, Ubuntu, ganyan. Then just hit enter. No, it should remove your WSL and then lahat ng contents sa loob niya. So it will remove everything kung may dinownload kayo or in-install kayong libraries, so on and so forth. No, it should be deleted na. Okay.